Hey everybody, welcome back. Cooking on the Blackstone again. I got the Blackstone nice and hot. And today, instead of using some bacon up, we're going to use just some regular old olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I shouldn't say just regular oil because it's extra virgin olive oil. And today we're going to highlight the importance of supporting local businesses. So I have a local butcher around me that does fantastic work. And today, all I'm doing is cooking what I bought from him the other day. And the first thing we're doing are these hot sausages that he hand makes every week. These things are fantastic. They got a variety of peppers and onions inside of them. And when I say they're hot sausages, they are hot. They are not for the faint of heart. So I got my oil a little hot here, and I'm putting these sausages down. I'm actually going to take my time cooking these. Don't want to cook these super fast, so we're going to try and cook these a little bit on the low and slow side for the Blackstone today. These take a while to cook through, so I'm going to make sure I flip these and cook all sides of the sausage while they're cooking. And again, I'm not going to rush the sausage on this one. Sausages have been cooking up good. I have oil in the cast iron pan, and my butcher makes fantastic potato pancakes. And I think that potato pancakes would go really well with these hot sausages. Do a little German flair today. So I've got my oil hot. It's not so hot where it's going to explode on my hand when I put these potato pancakes in, but it's going to get the job done. So I have my cast iron on top of the Blackstone, potato pancakes in the cast iron for a couple minutes, flip them over, look at that crispy brown on that side, and this third pesky potato pancake is falling apart on me, but that's okay. It's still going to be delicious. What an easy meal this is, all thanks to my local butcher. Look at these things cooking in that wonderfulness. Just like that, I have a wonderful German meal made on the Blackstone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, I'll send out some more Blackstone videos. Hit that like button.